Named for the feather quills behind its head, the secretary bird is one of Africa's most unique hunters. Unlike most birds of prey, the secretary bird hunts mainly on foot, using speed, precision, and deadly accuracy. With kicks powerful enough to crush prey instantly, this bird is feared by even deadly snakes. Despite its deadly hunting skills, the secretary bird is also a caring parent, protecting its young in the harsh wild. In the extreme heat of Africa, survival belongs only to the fastest and smartest hunters. Precision, power, and lightning-fast attacks make the secretary bird one of Africa's greatest hunters. The secretary bird can kill venomous snakes, run faster than most prey, and survive some of Africa's harshest. The secretary bird, a true icon of the Savanna, watches over its kingdom as the sun sets on another day in Africa.